Maria Lee Carmen Imutan Salonga, born February 22, 1971, is a Filipino actress and singer. Known as the Pride of the Philippines, she has headlined Broadway and West End productions, appeared on international television and film, and released albums of her work. Salonga began performing in Philippine musical theater as a child, making her professional debut at age 7. She achieved international recognition in 1989 when she originated the role of Kim in the West End production of Miss Saigon. Later reprising the role on Broadway in 1991, she earned critical success for her performances in Les Miserables 1993, 2007, and Flower Drum Song 2002-2003. On film, she was praised for her performances in Bakit Labis Kidding Mahal 1992 and Sana Malit Muli 1995. And she provided the singing voices for Princess Jasmine in Aladdin 1992 and Fa Mulan in Mulan 1998 and Mulan to 2004. She has also appeared on television in That's Entertainment, As the World Turns, and Pretty Little Liars, and served as a coach on The Voice of the Philippines, as well as its spin-off series The Voice Kids and The Voice Teens. As a recording artist, Salonga began her career at age 10 with the gold-certified album Small Voice 1981. She then later signed with Atlantic Records and released the album Lee Salonga 1993, which achieved platinum status, followed by I'd Like to Teach the World to Sing 1997 and By Heart 1999. She has released a holiday albums, the Christmas Album 2000 and Sounding Joy 2024. Salonga has performed concerts at notable international venues, including Carnegie Hall, Lincoln Center, the London Palladium, the Nippon Budokan, the Royal Albert Hall, and the Sydney Opera House. Salonga's major accolades include a Laurence Olivier Award 1990, Tony Award 1991, and 2 Grammy Award nominations 2004-2019. In her home country, she has received 15 Aliw Awards 1980 to 2024 and has been inducted into the Hall of Fame, along with receiving a FAMAS Award 2005 and a star on the Eastwood City Walk of Fame 2006. Salonga has also been recognized by the Philippine government for her cultural contributions, receiving the Presidential Merit Award in 1990 and the Congressional Medal of Achievement in 2007 and being appointed Commander of the Order of Lakandula in the same year. She is the first Asian actress to win a Tony Award, and in 2026, Salonga will become the first Filipino to receive a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Regarding her musical repertoire, Salonga has articulated a preference for live, orchestral textures in the studio. Discussing her holiday album Sounding Joy 2024, she explained that live strings, brasses, and the rest of the live instruments were added to round out everything, noting the album's central themes of resilience and overcoming adversity. Within her pop output, industry classification places parts of her discography in ballad-leaning, melody-forward idioms. For example, AllMusic lists her studio album by heart 1999 under the easy listening genre. Salonga has cited a wide range of musical artists as shaping her vocal style, but she has repeatedly emphasized Karen Carpenter and Barbra Streisand as among her most important influences. Speaking to the Los Angeles Times, she praised Carpenter's ability to cut down to the essence of a lyric, emphasizing that it's not just about vocal calisthenics, it's about being simple and clear. She has also described Streisand as one of my favorites. Not just because of her talent, which is mammoth, but everything she's done producing, television, arranging, citing her as a model of versatility and artistic control. 214 in other interviews, Salonga has expressed hopes of someday collaborating with Streisand, calling it a lifelong dream. Alongside Carpenter and Streisand, Salonga has credited artists such as Olivia Newton-John, the Osmonds, ABBA, Ella Fitzgerald, Julie Andrews, and Elaine Paige with shaping her approach to singing. She admires Paige's timbre and cutting quality, especially in Evita, and often cites these artists for their clarity, emotional honesty, and ability to tell stories through song. Salonga has contrasted this with modern singers whose technical virtuosity sometimes obscures lyrics, stressing that her influences taught her to prioritize communication and lyricism above all. Salonga has been described as a soprano with absolute pitch, also known as perfect pitch. Marilyn Stasio of Variety referred to her voice as golden, while Rex Reed of Observer described it as clear and as sparkling as Baccarat crystal. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.